Okay, so let's do an energy check para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Aries. Kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. So your card right now, Aries, is the Honey. So you know what? This card is actually na-create siya out of pure love ni Sakura. So this card is advising that it is time din na although fire sign ka, you need to seek as well and i-welcome mo yung love na galing sa ibang tao. Yes, medyo scary kasi meron kang shares din na mga tao na nagtiwala ka, minahal mo, pero sa bandang huli nilaglag ka. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, it's the end of the world. No, the universe wants you to make another try. And this time kasi the difference, since you are going to try with the help of the universe, you can assure yourself that this time it will be perfect, it will be well planned, and crafted. So I hope nakatulong yung reading. That's for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Subscribe, like, and share para magkita tayo sa next video.